Good morning, traders. It's Wednesday, April 15th at 4:15 a.m. All right, two stocks for you today. The market's on fire again. We've got QBTS and we've got Broadcom, AVGO. So let's go ahead and have a look. Our standard setup, largest dark pool prints in the last 30 days. We can see here a print here about 1765, and there were more prints. We pulled down to the bottom here, and this is really interesting because we've got these prints here, 100K, 82K, 74, 155, and we went sideways. See how these ones here, we consolidated for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. This is an interesting day with the increasing volume, breaking above the print, very low wick on top. So if you saw my webinar on Friday, then you would have seen this as a decent setup there to go long. And then yesterday we popped testing these prints again, and today we are just firing off of these prints and moving higher. So let's go ahead and map this out for a long and a short so we don't have a bias. We're going to be bullish above 1850 here. We're very close to it now. So if we don't, if we're up here at 1904, then make sure you're above that and having that as support moving forward. So 1904 would be the target, 1950, 20, 2014. Now the ATR on this one's $1.16. It's already moved to $1.50, so it's got the momentum that's going on there. We're going to be bearish below 1780. Let's get below here. 1780, target 1763, 1748, 1731, 1714. You can see how this is difficult here. Then we've got 1699 is the 160K, and then this is that group of prints, 1689 to 1699. That's about 300,000. So let's stop there. And we've got 1663 or 1643 down here is my 200 exponential moving average. So just this is massive support coming back down here, and you can see how this in the right at the end of the day and all the way through, it just wound up moving up. Okay, so there you have it. So yeah, this one's testing my entry 1850 now. So make sure you're above 1904. You do have a good trade from 1850 to 1904 with a support here at 1828, right? So if we come back and this holds, then you can definitely move up there. Let's go ahead and look at Broadcom, AVGO. So here, largest prints in the last month. AVGO, you can see this consolidation here from March 17th all the way through to April 7th. And this was there were a couple opportunities for a entry. This one here would have been, it's a great three-line strike reversal, increasing volume there, retesting these prints. You could actually go in on this one. This one has lower volume. It would have been better to get in here. This one, I go for higher volume, closing above the 8 exponential moving average with no wick on top, and this one was testing it. This was you'd have to use your own judgment there and testing this resistance. But anyway, this popped up. This was a good swing day as well because we tested this range of prints, and then from here we gapped. They added to their position, it looks like, and yesterday we got 1.4 million here, and so yeah, this one's taken off. So let's look at this. We're going to be bullish above 394. Let's get above here. We've got this range here. We want 394 to be support. If we get increasing volume coming up to that, breaking above, you can get in a little bit early. 395, 397.67 is R4. Then we've got 400, 403.63, and 405. The ATR on this one's about $12. So this one gives us about 15-point range all the way up to there. We're going to be bearish below 390. Let's get below here. This looks like a massive fair value gap. You can see that from where this ended. Right an hour after the market closed, this one just took right off. So if we're going to come back, we can come back into this candle here. So bearish below 390, target 387.50, 386.81, 385.75, 384.06. You can see this in 383.27 is R1. It's also my 200 exponential moving average, and I've mapped it out just a little bit lower, 382.42, 381.87, and then we can get down to this 380.78. And look at this, this is so tight in here with the pivots and cams and the print. That gets us to the bottom of this candle. So as you get into this, it's going to be massive support, so just be careful there. Okay, there you have it. Those are your 2 trade setups for today. So please like, share, subscribe. If you didn't go to the webinar, it will be live on YouTube on Monday morning, and so then you can watch it and learn all about the dark pools. It was a 90-minute presentation, and we covered day trading, swing trading, all of that good stuff. All right, happy trading, everyone. We will see you tomorrow with all new trade setups. Take care. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.